Increase production, eliminate galling, and get 30 times faster breakouts with Velocity Washer. With over 100 million hours in use, Velocity Washer delivers proven results. Fast, safe, and easy to use, Velocity Washer will save you money and reduce downtime. Much of the focus of bolted joint integrity is centered around assembly, but assembly is only a portion of the bolted joint's life cycle. Most delays actually occur at disassembly. Galled and seized nuts lead to costly delays, scheduling creep, and standby time for specialized labor. All of these problems lead to loss of production. Velocity Washer can be installed anywhere a hardened washer can be, with no special tools required. Ready to go straight out of the box, you'll need no costly engineering analysis or change of work procedures. At breakout, simply turn the nut 12 degrees to the left using your standard breakout procedures. The Velocity Washer will pop and all load will be removed, allowing the nut to easily be run off. No galling, no delays, and increased worker safety by eliminating hot bolting, torches, and unnecessary time on tools. Talk to our experts today to find out how the Velocity Washer can make your outages shorter, your workers safer, and your plant more productive.